Wednesday, the 16th of July, 2025. It's 9:15 in the morning. We've just left checking out that van. It's 87. I don't think it's right. I don't think it's 87 yet. In Colbert, Georgia. This is Colbert, Smithonia, or either Smithonia, Colbert. We'll be coming back into Colbert. We will get a little video of Colbert, but this will be a nice Georgia back road, city of Colbert video. Got those silos there, nice looking cornfield. Very nice scenery along through here. Scenic. I'm going to title this one Scenic Georgia Backroad. Could go to, well, with all that rain last night, the river will be muddy. We could go to Watson Mill State Park and bridge and the South Fork of the Broad River, but we had some heavy storms last night. Windy Hill Road, I don't know how far that goes. That'd be a nice dirt road drive. Horse and cattle country, but there is some farming too. Much rain as we've had, people cutting hay, they're getting a lot of hay. You heard that old saying, make hay while the sun shines? Well, make hay when the sun shines and it rains. Historic Smithonia District. I'm not sure what that is. I need to Google it and sort of find out what the deal is. Now we could go left up here and go by Smithonia, but I don't know anything about it. Need to Google it and find out. Normally we would go left to go back. We're going to go into Colbert and get some video of Colbert. This is Collier Church Road. Watson Mill State Park is 7 miles to our right. Nice sky and clouds. Pleasant temperature. Like I say, I think it's going to mid-90s again today, back down to 70s, low 70s at night tonight. But you get a little bit wider picture there. The default is zoomed in one level. This is a half, or 0.6. This is as far out as it'll go. This is with the S22 Ultra, 1920 by 1080, 16:9 aspect ratio, full HD. We've seen some staghorn sumac, whatever they call it, but I haven't seen any really nice big blooms yet. It's turning color, but it seems like the fruit is small this year. You would think it would really be large with all the rain we've had. This bridge was built in 1960. We slowed down enough to check that out a while ago. I think this it doesn't have a sign on this side, but we're coming into Madison County. I think we're coming out of Oglethorpe. Let's see if we can get that egret flying across in front of us. No, he just turned. He turned and headed the other way. That would have been pretty, flying right across in front of us. There he goes. Well, hey, he's come back again. Oh well. Real nice crepe myrtle up here coming into Colbert. We'll get a picture of it. We'll zoom back into that one to the default. Tomatoes, potatoes. Back there with the van was nice enough. She was, I feel bad for her. She's in some hard times trying to get that van sold to cover her rent. And that van is in pretty rough shape. Tells y'all anything, I'm not even interested in making an offer on it. Have to haul it back to Frank's, and minimal number of parts that we could get off of it. Okay, here's that crepe myrtle we're coming up on. Look at that rascal. That is nice. Nice contrast to the green in it. Get a picture out of this. Well, I said we will drive around through Colbert and get some video of Colbert. Neat little town. I'd like to have one of these little buildings in one of these little small towns, maybe South Carolina or Georgia town, over there on the other side of the South Carolina border. Way out of my normal travel pattern. I'd have to make a lot of new interest or going in different directions. It would certainly open up a lot of different travel or video opportunities. Let's turn here. I think that's going to bring us right back through town the way we want to come. We'll probably circle this block. This may get, yeah, it got her bumper car off of us anyway. Another crepe myrtle, look. Nice white one and another nice purple or red. I guess it's sort of a purple. Picture of it. Did we turn too soon? I wanted to come up right by the caboose and stuff. at that nice house over there. Log cabin. Okay, we're going to stop right here at the depot, and then we're going to get video of this right here. Then we'll go around the block and be getting some video. Well, it wasn't recording. Right here in Colbert, Georgia. Hampton, 1919. So I was looking for a cornerstone or something over in Winterville of that little bank, but didn't see anything. And over here we've got the little red caboose, city of Red Cana, Colbert, Georgia, established 1899. Yeah, so you have one of these little places and live in it. Maybe have a photography display and be open one day a week, something like that. Live, work, and play. That is Georgia 72 across on the other side of the tracks. Now we are going to come back and circle this block. And get the rest of these little buildings. We're going to go down there, turn left, and circle the block. And then we'll probably go out that way, maybe come back and go out. Hey, we're going to deviate from our plan a little bit. We'll go this way and catch this area down here. Okay, well this will pretty much wrap up our video here. Some more crepe myrtles. Okay,